Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to add the 20 EMA on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators here at the top left. Click on it, go to the search bar and type EMA. Now choose this one, moving average exponential. Don't choose any one of these. So click on it here, and this is our EMA. Now let's make it a 20 EMA. Go to these three dots here and click on settings. Go to input and change 9 to 20 and click on OK. This is our 20 EMA. If you didn't like this color and you want to change it, click on the three dots, settings, go to style, below, and you can choose the color you want. So I will choose, for example, this color. I think it's orange. And we have here the thickness. You can also change it, for example, like this. And click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.